Uncensored versus the classic ChatGPT. Well, today we're going to figure out which one has better capabilities. Okay, so what have we got here? Uncensored AI. If you've stumbled upon Uncensored, you'll know that it is cutting that barrier for AI capabilities, all right? It's giving you access to the most powerful AI models without any filters, no restrictions or bias. It is designed for users who really demand the depth of artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of ChatGPT just agreeing with you. Gone are the days of Gemini saying, hey, how can I help you? And not really actually offer any help. There's no guardrails. It gives you deeper insights. You can create images from your camera, from your library. You can search the web in real time. But one of the biggest things about Uncensored is they are privacy first. So it's anonymous, you get private interactions, and it's continuously refined by user feedback. So if you are looking for something that is really uncensored, Uncensored AI really is amazing. It's trusted by more than 10 million users worldwide, and it's got a 4.4 star rating on your app store, so you can go ahead and grab it directly from there. Also, they have cutting edge models, so you can access Minimax, Grok, Kimi, and they're constantly expanding with user-driven updates. They have speech playback, AI predictive inputs, and code mode, which serves a more diverse professional and creative need. And then the last thing is the Uncensored API lets developers embed unfiltered AI directly into their own application. Uncensored AI is actually quite wild. If you're looking for something to blow your mind, Uncensored is amazing. Okay, the classic ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, you can do so much. It has custom plugins for specialized tasks. It has a memory feature to retain context. It also offers third-party integrations for workflow enhancement, and it has multilingual support for global accessibility. You can do a ton of awesome things, such as email drafting. You can write code, you can compose essays, and you can do proofreading, idea generation, brainstorming, content summarization, and expansion. The possibilities really are endless. You can see that it powers interactive tutoring systems and personalized learning platforms that adapt to individual student needs and learning styles. You can also see that it assists with content creation, so it assists writers, marketers, publishers in generating, editing, and optimizing various types of content across industries. And you can see over here that it has enhanced support systems for Fortune 500 companies, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction metrics. It also helps programmers with code generation, debugging, documentation, and explaining complex programming concepts. ChatGPT has actually spawned a diverse ecosystem of custom tools and applications built on its API, extending its capabilities into specialized domains and workflows. You can see over here as well that ChatGPT extends beyond just text with DALL-E 3's integration. It enables you to generate detailed images from textual descriptions with pretty remarkable, accurate results. It is through its partnership with Microsoft Bing, the system that delivers real-time information retrieval and web search functionality. It ensures responses contain current information and accurate information. The custom instructions feature also allows you to establish persistent preferences for response styles, format, and content focus. This creates a very personalized assistant experience overall. So there we go, folks. There are a bunch of uncensored AI, unfiltered tools out there. Go ahead and check some of them out and see which one actually works for you. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.